everyone, it's me Mahi and I'm back after such a long time. And you know how I have a science fair project every year? This year my project was about fossils. So before we dive into fossils, I'm just going to tell you a bit about making the project. So I just got a cardboard box, poured some sand and made some DIY fossils, out of which some are shells I got from beaches. And then this background is a sketch I drew of a monument called Petra Jordan. And then we have some more pictures of different types of fossils that not always in the ground. This is an underwater seashell. These are formed when insects get trapped in tree resin. And then even footprints can get fossilized. And to find these fossils, we need archaeological tools, which we have right here. What are fossils? Well, for starters, they can be amazing treasures that connect us to the past and tell incredible stories about the processes that shape our planet and connect the Earth's crust to the living things that walk upon it. Today, we will be uncovering the secrets that fossils hold. Fossils are basically the preserved evidence of living things from long ago. They can come from anything that was once alive. Many people think that fossils are bones of ancient creatures, but that's not the whole story. They're actually closer to a unique type of rock and can be formed in a few different ways. Most fossils go through permineralization. Permineralization is when an organism leaves an imprint or an impression on a rock, but the remains of the organism themselves disappear. This leftover impression is called a mold. Over time, this mold is filled up with sediments, which form a cast. That cast is basically a fossil. There are two main types of fossils: body fossils and trace fossils. Body fossils are a fossilized part of an ancient living thing, like skull, rib cage, or even separate limbs. Next, we have trace fossils. Trace fossils show the activities or behavior from the organisms rather from their actual body, such as nests and footprints, and even droppings. And there are different types of fossils of different animals. As you can see here, there are underwater fossils, fossils of insects formed when the insects get trapped in tree resin. And a fun fact about this monument here, Petra Jordan, long ago scientists had uncovered, not long ago actually, but recently, scientists uncovered about 80 skulls of people underneath this monument, which has led to an amazing discovery about the civilization that used to live or reside there. So I really hope you liked my project about fossils. I will be back next year. Bye-bye.